I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the GTIN because without a valid code, you cannot register a barcode. First, confirm each product variant needs its own GTIN and collect dimensions, weight, and manufacturer name. Once done, buy GTIN from GS1 or confirm your existing pool. This ensures global uniqueness and retailer acceptance. Make sure to note packaging details and assign the right GTIN to the correct SKU, because incorrect mapping causes listing rejections and inventory confusion. Now you generate the barcode image and format it for print and digital use. Choose the symbology retailers require, UPCA for North America or EAN13 elsewhere, and follow GS1 specs for quiet zones and size. Use a trusted barcode generator or certified printing partner to export high-res EPS or PNG files. Once created, test scan in multiple apps to verify readability. If scans fail, adjust size, contrast, or file resolution before finalizing artwork. Finish by registering the GTIN and uploading the barcode artwork to your retailer or marketplace listing. Enter product attributes, upload high-res images, and attach any compliance certificates. This speeds approval and prevents delisting. Once uploaded, activate the listing and perform a live scan and a test purchase to confirm the barcode resolves to the correct product. If the code fails, recheck GTIN mapping and artwork contrast. Common fixes are trimming margins or re-exporting at higher DP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.